in this tutorial we are going to start use autofill for inputting number in the Excel. Okay, so not only number, we'll talk about number, month, days, date, then different differences, date, time, minute, hours. Okay, so let's start with number. So first put 1. So I want to put some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, 8, 9, 10. So the way I just have inputted number is not a good way. So what can we do? We can use the autofill. So just think about if we have to input 1 lakh number, then it's quite impossible. Okay, so let's start again. Put 1 and then select the cell and see the plus sign. So when you actually take your mouse cursor to this location, you will see a plus sign and then drag it. So after dragging, you will see one plus sign again. Just click here and click on the field series. Then you will see it is 1 to 17. Okay, so this is one way that you can import number. Another way that you can use, that is just put 1 and 2, then select this 2 number from here and then click, bring the cursor here and just drag it. So two ways. So one is just after inputting 1, then drag the number and then from here field series. Another one, just write 1, 2 and after writing 1, 2, okay, so better I should write again. After getting plus n, okay, so this is another way. So in this way you can write all odd number if you want to write. So write 1 and 2, just click and drag it. 2, 4 for even number, just drag it. So if you want to write some number in 100 difference, so 100, 200, right, or for any for example any difference, not only 100, maybe it is 5, maybe or 10, maybe it is 10. So first write the, okay, so maybe it is 7 difference, write 1 and 8, so difference 7. You'll see all number will have actually difference between two numbers will have 7. Okay, so this is not like you can only drag it down. So you can, it is a unique, you can write in all direction. Okay, from right, then down, up, as well as left. So for example, this is 0. You just drag it and use it. You will see 1, 2, 3. So it is in this side, that is in the right side, increment will be plus increment. Okay, so and at the below it is also what, plus increment, a positive increment, but you can use it for the top, but here If you use the fill series, you will see the negative. Same way here you can do it, just fill series, but it is negative. So you can use in four ways, four direction: left, right, top, bottom. But in the uh, right and below bottom, it will be positive increment, and in the top and left it will be minus increment or decrement. This is not increment, this is actually decrement, so I will change it later. Okay, so now come to the month. So sometime we have to write the month. So for example January, so you can write all 12 months uh, in the same way, full, just, or just you can write the any month name and just click and just drag it and see. So you may start from, and not only March, not only January, any month, and you can see. So same way you can do it in four way: top, bottom, left, right, and will, if I click it in the top, then you will see it will become February. So what I said earlier, in the, just like the short from January, Jan, you can do it, you just drag it. You can do the same thing for what, for in any direction. Then write the, for example, Sunday, drag it. So you can see the, or this is not only that it, okay, so you will see the repetitive Sunday week basis, or you can use the simply sun for Sunday. Okay, so same thing you can do in any direction. Then date, for example, today is 7, then 14, then 2020. So I think by this time you know date. So here in the number you can see it is already date. So for our better understanding, we should change the date and write in our way. So after writing one date, just drag it. Okay, so you will see the different dates here. Okay, so same thing you can do in any direction. Again, here is the starting date. So and 17, as I said, 3 days difference. I'm just copying it and just drag it. You'll see all date. So dates are here, but difference is 3. Dates are here, but difference is 3. Okay, so same way you can just 7 days difference, just drag it, you'll see it. Then hour difference, so by this time we know how to write the hour. So 8 and just write 9. So you'll see all dates but 1 hour difference. Same way, for example, write 8 10 800 and 8 10. It is 10-minute difference. You'll see date in, so you'll see date but difference is 3. Then write text for example ABC1. So text and number, even text, and you will see that is text and number. And last one is how to fill 1 to 1 lakh. So just this is from another place, just so you can do it from here, for example by this way, but it is actually writing few hundred what writing 1000 1 lakh number is very difficult by dragging. Okay, so dragging 1 lakh number is really difficult. So for solving this problem, click on write 1, and here you can see the fill. So just select it from the fill, just click on the series, and this is our starting value and this is our ending value, and this number will be in the column, and growth is linear. Okay, just click OK. So you'll see that 1 lakh number had been put here. Okay, so by this way we can actually import almost everything, that is number, month, days, date, then their difference number, hours, minute, text and date, even for big number. And this thing you can do in any direction, all these things from the top, bottom, left, right. But point is here, my point is here that if in the bottom and right side, increment will be positive. In the top and left side you will see the decrement. Thank you very much for watching this video.